Here's the basement. Hey, babe.
Yeah. I guess that's me, my young,
Hey, babe.
young mouth talking.
Babe, will you turn the light on in there?
15 or 20 minutes. It's called Welcome to Home Ownership.
Yeah.
What? For what?
They left the black. Oh, it doesn't come off.
It's
Yay!
painted.
Yes. Cool.
Yeah.
Black and stay.
Told you it would. Yeah. See, this is what I love, is that there's like a whole nother place downstairs here. You know? Got the big bar.
Uh-oh, the mini fridge is gone.
Bull. No way.
The what?
The mini fridge, the most important part of the deal.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing. He said it was gone. I need my beer fridge.
Then we're gonna put the
Here we go. And the fifth and final bedroom. Look at this thing. Walk right on through. Rachel.